Hey guys, so today I am going to do kind of a get ready with me video. We'll see how it goes, but I wanted to kind of make a video today because today's a big day, honestly. Today is my brother's birthday, and also Khalid is coming to my area and I'm super excited. Yeah, so I guess without further ado, let's just go ahead and get in it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Hangover primer. I got the little sample size, like the little mini size, and it's been lasting me a pretty good bit, so that's also really nice too. So obviously I want my skin to look flawless. Maybe I'll try the No Poreblem primer. So have you guys been to any concerts lately? For me, it's been a long time since I've gone to a concert. Maybe this will be my 5th one. My first concert was when, freshman or a sophomore in high school, and my mom went with me, and it was the Nicki Minaj Pink Print tour. Best first concert ever. Enjoyed it. And then after that, I think my second concert was Snoop and Wiz, and then I think it was the Avett Brothers. Oh, no. And I've seen Ed Sheeran. How could I forget that? I saw Ed Sheeran, which was absolutely amazing. And then now seeing Khalid, I'm excited. So we gonna do some soap brows today. We getting fancy. So we gonna take extra time and do our brows real nice. I'm just gonna talk about other stuff other than just concerts, because I really don't think I could fill a whole video of me just talking about concerts. I don't know, like, I don't feel like making BoxyCharm unboxing videos anymore, because I feel like y'all just don't find them interesting, which is fine. Like, that's totally fine. It's up to you whether you like it or not. I don't know, I just feel like it's kind of pointless for me to make them now. Like, I feel like they're not interesting, and like I feel like people don't even really watch videos on it, so you know, why bother? But also because what drives me crazy is I get my boxes so late. I don't know what it is. I get them in the middle of the month every time. Middle or like near the end of the month. So then it's kind of like pointless, you know, because so many people have already gotten their box. Oh my gosh. Well, speaking on videos, I am so bummed out because I bought the entire California Love collection from Colourpop because I was going to do a video on it because you guys really liked the Sweet Talk collection review that I did and looks, and I was going to do that, but I had like the weirdest misfortune with it. It was like I ordered the whole collection and then they like took my money but processed it for like almost a week, and then it literally took like almost over 2 weeks to basically get to me. So I was already late on the train, and then they released like the orange palette. I was gonna do the video anyway and she'd be like, screw it, it's fine. But then I filmed it, and then I was like, my editing software started acting really weird. It just wouldn't say, like, it wouldn't use any of my film. Like, it would use it and then in the middle of it, it would just start to corrupt the whole thing. I have so much fur on me, what the heck. Life happened and I had to, you know, take care of some stuff school-wise and work-wise and stuff, so it was like, I don't know, I had it halfway edited, and then it was just kind of like, it just sat there, and then obviously the month goes by and I was like, I can't post this now. So it's kind of a bummer on that point, because I was like kind of really hoping to make a video on it. Maybe I'll make a video using the palette for like different looks in the future, but really right now I'm just kind of like, oh wow, like I tried to get it for YouTube, try to make a video on it for you guys, and it just kind of, the cookie crumbled a little bit, so it's okay. I think I'm definitely going to use this foil eyeshadow from Ulta today. Let's see, maybe I'll go in with the California Love palette. And then I think what I'll do is I'm going to go in with the Bay and Laguna and mix these two shades together. I think I might do like a pretty lip, so I'm going to keep the eyes pretty soft. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Natasha Denona Biba palette. I'm still surprised I have this. My brother's so sweet. He got this for me and I'm eternally grateful. Try Prairie. These shades are absolutely beautiful. Like I can't understand them. They're so pretty. But yeah, I have been eyeballing this palette for so long. So I really appreciate the fact that he got me this. I'm excited though because his birthday today, he's going to be 18. He's no longer a little kid anymore. So weird because, you know, he's my little brother. So like, you don't really think like that, you know? I will say, like, we're not like the siblings that like bicker and fight and we can't stand each other. Like, we really get along really, really well. We always have, honestly, which I like. I wouldn't want to argue with my siblings all day. But yeah, he's got a big day today. He accomplishes so much and I'm like very proud of him. It kind of motivates me, you know? Keep setting goals and just keep being the best I can be. I might put that down as a base. I'm trying not to think too hard because I'm the type of person that when something like is a big event or something important and like I want everything to go right, it usually doesn't go right. So now I'm just like, alright, cool, well, we had an idea. Let's give it a try. And this is like the gold foil shadow from Ulta, like their brand, and it's really nice. Like, they're so pretty. I'm glad I gave them a try. I feel like maybe somebody's talked about these, but I've never really heard anyone ever talk about them. So I mean, I'm guessing it's probably because this is an old product, but to me it's new and I love the way this looks. Like, for me personally, an everyday eye makeup isn't complete without a shimmer. And I know some people like to just keep it matte, but if you really like shimmer, these shadows are for you. They're so foiled. I mean, it is a foil shadow, but to me, I just look at it as like a really sparkly eyeshadow. It does have a little bit of fallout, so you have to kind of watch out for that. Probably some, you know, primer, like glitter primer or something would take care of that. I just don't do it because I'm lazy. Also, if you don't really like the amount of foil that you can get out of those, I got this shadow called Valentine from Ulta Beauty and it's so pretty. It's like a really, really nice shimmer that almost looks like it has no pigment to it. Like, look at this. Like, see that? I don't know. This is gorgeous. I'm going to go back in with Natasha and just redefine this little portion out here. So I also want to apologize for being gone for so long. That's kind of ridiculous, but it's literally been like so many things going on. Life is like just really, really happening. I'm just going to go in with some Catrice HD Foundation on a stippling brush. I just like to do it this way because it helps me get the product on a lot faster. And then I am going in with a little bit of the Wet n Wild concealer. You know, I would think for cats, laying on someone's lap would be uncomfortable. You know, it's 2 lumps under you, you know, of leg. But I guess not, because she's still sitting here, just having a good old time, which is fine. She's so cute. Isn't she cute? What's that?
You need to make a page for them.
What's that? What's that? She says, what the heck are you pointing at me? She said, what is this foolishness? She's pawing at it. Look at me closer.
You need to make a page for them.
You saying hello? You sweet girl. I think I'm going to go in with Monroe in the palette and use that as an inner corner highlight. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, I do need to do a little bit of liner, so I'm going to take a little art brush, probably go in with Cocoa, and use that to kind of softly line my lash. Maybe I'll go in with a little bit of the black. I think this is a pretty mascara, but like, look at the before and after.
Okay.
on this picture. So it says it's this, right? Do you really...
Maybe if you keep going on the ends, like you know what I'm saying, like leave the other ones,
but like it's
put more on the end.
Saying it's supposed to double twisted fiber bristles for maximum pigment load and lash loving ingredients, and it says your lashes be full of themselves, so that's why it's called Big Ego. And I'm looking and I'm like, this is what I feel like every volumizing mascara looks like on me that I buy at the drugstore.
That's why I said add a little more to the
I mean, I'll do another coat, but like they're selling this for... This thing's a $23 mascara.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah. This is what, like, the Colourpop one, or...
I mean, I love the one you got me.
Yeah, like, I think the Colourpop's good. Yeah, I mean, a second coat makes it look a little fuller at the base. It's not worth $23 in my opinion. So I'm gonna just set right here. Just a tad on my cheeks. That's so hard to do.
Your makeup while she's sitting there?
No, like give her a kiss on her forehead when she's in my lap.
Oh, yeah.
It like stretches a neck muscle I didn't know I had. Oh yeah, so okay, so I wanted to explain why I've kind of been gone for a little bit. Honestly, like a lot has happened. For me, I'm in college. I go to community college and I love it so much. Right now I'm having to retake my physics class. I'm gonna go in with Alamar Cosmetics. I love this blush trio so much. And I'm gonna go with Isla and Seclusion. But yeah, so I had to sign up for my physics class again. And right now I'm enrolled in 2 different community colleges because I have to take a certification class in like a healthcare field. So I am doing EMT. I'm really excited, and it's in a separate college. I'm really pumped, but it's been taking a lot of time because I've been having to, you know, go through FAFSA, check my FAFSA, you know, see if they're going to cover everything, you know, trying to get everything in order, like book-wise, uniform, physicals, and all that stuff. So it's just been one thing after another. Oh my god. Oh, love this. And then of course trying to hang out with my friends before they go back to college. You know, because I'm here in my hometown and they're, you know, away for college. So I've just been trying to enjoy what I can for as long as I can. So yeah, so that's why I've been gone a little bit. I mean, it's not really an excuse, but it's just my reasoning for why I've been MIA. I kind of want to put this as a brow highlight. I don't do that very often. I feel like just because I don't pluck my brows, so I feel like it looks weird. But I think it might be nice. I have the old packaging, look. This came in a BoxyCharm a long time ago and I broke it. I was so upset. But yeah, still have it, still love it. Now I'm just going to go in with this bronzer, Urban Decay bronzer. And is that the feeder?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Let me see what she did. Oh, she went running.
She
stopped. So it's going to take them a little bit. They'll get used to, oh, okay, you know, the food failed.
Oh yeah, these lashes are cute. Okay. I like these. So now I'm going to go in with the Nars Mineshaft shade of lip. And put this on. Actually, do I have a red liner? I might do that first. And this is the Wet n Wild gel lip liner in Red the Scene. This stuff smells so good though, this Nars. It's like it's like whipped cream almost. Oh shit. Oh no! See, this is why I get nervous with red. I'm already messing up. Does this look good? I never know. I always feel like when I look at my lips, like they don't have any like structure to them. They're just kind of like two lumps. So I hope I don't look stupid. But anyway, this is it. But yeah, so I'll be back to check in with you guys with like a video of me and my outfit and stuff like that. And I'll see y'all in a little bit. So this is what the makeup looks like in the daylight. What do you think, Kayla? Unbiased opinion.
Freaking hot. I want to look like you.
You're beautiful. What you talking about?
God.
Literally, she looks fire, so don't listen to her. She's just frustrated because her lash is having complications.
I feel like I'm a beginner with this, and I know that I'm not.
Well, we went to go and get something to eat, and then what was it? We were trying to go to Walmart, and there was no lash glue.
There was no lash glue inside of the freaking Walmart.
I was like, okay, cool. So then we were like, okay, well, we have only 30 minutes to get to Khalid, like to the concert. But yeah, we needed lash glue, and so we had to find a CVS en route to Khalid, and now we're here at the CVS putting lashes on together. I had a little bit of malfunction with this one, but
I'm so frustrated right now.
Let me see.
It's not working.
What do you mean?
The corner.
The inner corner?
Yeah.
So we finally found a parking spot.
Oh my
and now we're on our way to Khalid. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Well, we're not on our way. We're on our way to the stadium, which is where? Right here? No. Down. Shit. Where? Fuck. Where?
Oh, that's funny, bro.
What?
She said, you and Vivian have an absolutely awesome time. LOL. You just got video.
Time